Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI and it is party time! What I have behind me is a House of Party balloon garland and I am obsessed with it. This is the cowgirl setup. This one right here, I just wanted to show my big pig right here. So we've got 3 animals with this kit. The pig, we've got a cow and another pig right here. This thing is just so stinking adorable. I love it so very much. I love that the kit comes with everything you're gonna need. You've got the balloons, you've got the stickers, you've got the little wall mounts. We even have some garland pieces right here to really decorate the whole thing, and it comes with so many balloons. You are not going to be short-handed. It was super easy to blow up all of the balloons and install them. Of course, it would probably be easier if you had a balloon pump, but I unfortunately did not. But I just love this thing so very much. It really adds such a nice pop of color to my decorations for my party that I'm hosting. This would be perfect for a little girl's party, but also if you are doing any kind of like Western theme, or honestly with the pinks and the colors and everything, this is just such a cute garland for a bunch of different types of parties. So if you're looking for a fun and cute garland for your party, I highly recommend this one by House of Party. They did an excellent job with this and I just cannot say enough good things about it, and that is my point of view.